Remember I told you I made red stewed chicken today for lunch and dinner? Welcome back. Here's the macaroni and cheese stove top and mixed vegetables. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to Khadijah's Global Charismatic Cultural Clicker. That is red stewed chicken with banana peppers, onions, green peppers, garlic, adobo, in red sauce. Go ahead and get a glance of the stovetop macaroni and cheese. Right on the top of the stove. Delicious, topped with Parmesan and Romano. Little bit of parsley. Got a little red sauce on the side. And mixed vegetables. Subscribe to Khadijah's Global Charismatic Cultural Clickers ASAP.